Governor Arati to go State House as many times as he wish. He's the governor of Kisii County. But he has no audacity, he has no mandate to force any MCA to go with him to State House. He has his ministers, he has his chief officers, he has his technical team, and any other MCA who wishes to come company can do so. He's at liberty to do so. Governor Masimba Arati, he can go to State House Mahambi, Rehero, Muisonde, all the time. Nobody will question him. And you will never see me castigating, because he's a governor elected by the people of Kisii County. He can run the county as he wishes, and he can meet anybody when and how he wishes and where. Tindiko wakilisha balimu abantu bane they are very sober na abaera zichiba zite jikuru national kwende county government national government utuma chibeza ku treasury chache county ga ebintu byane byonzi bya Masimba ebirega county ga. I don't want to lie to my people Nanjing and the State House nege ndungere ngolenda, and I've given them a challenge ina ntubwata ba MCA baje the State House koroki abatache tena babe tikoyo matene na ata ebena naki njena je the State House ngacha neke posi utachite tabwatieke. Even the money they gave, they received, the little money they received from the president as transport and lunch, they eat alone. They don't balikuwa bantu. So it's neither here nor there. In Masimba ward nimbwate chiro ya national government kwa gacho chi market cha kwa gacho. Actually we have two Masimba market ne ndati ramasha. I never went to State House to look for them, because there is an allocation across sub-counties. We have an area member of parliament who sits in Nairobi. He knows what is coming. I might know because maybe I have links with the national government. Nobody can lie to you that you get Ababa Chete State House. They did not come with anything. I can tell you, no, not even one thing. Nothing.